Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed last week with corn trading slightly lower while beans and wheat finished up higher. The main story right now that we're continuing to watch is the weather. Did get some solid rains over the weekend, but not enough to curb a lot of the dryness that's out in the western corn belt. Some areas that are still dry there. However, we're not getting the high heat like we got last year. So it is dry, but we're not getting the heat, so that will at least help a little bit. Obviously, dryness is still a concern and will affect yields as we move into pollination here. But other than that, cash market still remains incredibly tight. You got corn being bid up to $1.85 over right now, September, and end users are still having a hard time originating it. So cash market's extremely tight, and there's been little to no farmer selling on that. We've seen $8 in the past, probably waiting to see if we get up there before they're going to induce some selling. So we'll have to see how that plays out. Also, the soybean cash market's incredibly tight. That's why we're seeing August soybeans and soy meal shoot through the roof right now. You got the August-December soybean meal spread. It's trading at around $1.11 over right now. So that means August is $1.11 or $111 over what December is right now. And if you log into the daily report on Grain Analyst, you can check out a chart of that. It's just skyrocketed here recently, and that's due to the fact that soybeans and soy meal are so tight right now in these front months before we get the glut of supply that's supposed to be coming with the upcoming harvest. We're just so tight right now that we're seeing a lot of premium added in the front month, and that's really supporting November prices as well. So the main thing moving forward is, of course, we're extremely tight in the cash market, and then weather. Keep on watching the midday weather reports, what comes out, how whether the models are in agreement with each other as the trade will trade the weather and the tight cash supplies. So that's all we got for today. Trade well.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services. Strategies using combinations of positions, such as spread and straddle positions, may be as risky as taking a simple long or short position.